In this video, I will show you how can you add a Facebook page on your Facebook bio. You can see here this is my Facebook page which I have added on my Facebook bio. You can see here if I click on that page name, it will be redirected to my Facebook page. So in this video I will show the process how can you add your Facebook page in your Facebook bio. So it's a very simple process. You have to simply come here and you have to open your Facebook app. After opening your Facebook app, you have to simply go your Facebook profile. After come here on your Facebook profile, you have to simply click here edit profile. You can see here edit profile. You have to simply click here edit profile. After clicking here edit profile, you have to simply scroll down and then you can see here option bio. Then you have to simply click here edit. After clicking here edit, you have to simply click here edit bio. After clicking here edit bio, you have to simply give here. You can see here there I have added my Facebook page. That's why I am removing. And after come here, you will can see this kind of interface. You have to simply click here on the number option. After clicking here number option, you will can see here @rate. You have to simply click here @rate. After clicking here @rate, you will can see here your all page will be arrive here. If you want to add another page, you can see here option. Here you have to simply write your Facebook page name. You can see here I am writing here my Facebook page name. You can see here this is my Facebook page. So after come here your Facebook page, you have to simply click here and then you can see here option save. You have to simply click here save. After clicking here save, it will be saved in your Facebook bio. You can see here if I click here, I will can see here the page have been saved in my Facebook bio. So this is today's video. If you have any question related to the video, you can ask me in my comment box. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end.